It's September the 8th, 2022. So I tried another charging cord and it didn't really charge that well. It's only at 26%. So I'm wondering maybe if then when I was asleep, Derby tenants vandalized my battery pack. That's the only thing I could think of. Because it should be more than 26% by now. So I'm not sure what happened here. But anyways, I'm just going to wait and see. I'm going to try another charging cord and see if I have another one. I noticed there is one charging cord that is missing for my iPhone. It's not in there at all. So I'm not sure what could be the problem with it. That's a male gang stalker that was standing behind me. I'm not moving, so I'm getting a lot. This, I believe, is the female gang stalker in 205.